What's going on, y'all? Welcome to the channel. My name is Dev, aka Devi Debonair, and this is the Debonair Lifestyle. And today, I'm out here at my local park, about to go on a quick jog, because as y'all can see, I'm in a sauna suit. Never thought I'd be doing this, but I've been into boxing and in UFC a lot lately, and I've been seeing a lot of fighters kind of have this outfit on, and it helps them cut weight before a big event, before a big fight. And I said, you know what? I'm gonna try it out. So I went to Target. I seen they had it for I think like $19.99 or maybe $24.99. But either way, I picked up a suit. This here is the Everlast Sauna suit. It's in a large / extra large. It's how I look in it. I think I look crazy out here running in plastic. That's what it feels like. And I only been out here for maybe like 15-20 minutes trying to gather B-roll, and I'm already feeling it. Currently, it is like 61 degrees in December, which is weird AF. But anyways, I'm out here about to do this little mini review. I plan on doing maybe two to three laps around the park. See how much sweat I drip, see how much weight I cut. I'm currently 218 when I weighed myself this morning. So we're gonna see after this jog how much I weigh when I do my final weigh-in. So this is my review of the Everlast Sauna suit. I hope to give you guys some good information. I hope to cut some weight, and I hope I don't pass out out here. You know, I know it's a little nip, but apparently you can overheat yourself. I don't know. We gonna see. We gonna find out. Please talk to your doctors before trying this. I didn't. I'm not a professional. I'm just a random guy working out. So don't get too caught up. I'm just testing. I'm just seeing what can happen, trying to check for results. But guys, I'm gonna get to this jog and I'm gonna catch up with y'all later. All right, y'all, just wrapped up my run. I did 3.2 miles, which is equivalent to a 5K. Took me 38 minutes and 58 seconds, which is 39 minutes, which is we round up 40 minutes, which is very disappointing to me. So I got work to do there. But as y'all can see, I am drenched. So we're gonna go home and wrap up this review. Let's roll. So my thoughts on the Everlast Sauna suit is it works. It really does work. I was actually shocked on how well it worked. Like I only ran for like 3.5 miles at the park. I think like maybe close to 30 minutes. And in those 30 minutes, I did lose weight. I shedded maybe like 1 or 2 pounds, which was pretty cool. And now I understand why athletes such as boxers wear sauna suits. Like it makes total sense when they need to cut weight for their up and coming fight. So when it comes to this sauna suit though, can I recommend it? Yeah, I guess. If you're on a budget, I would say that if you are on a budget, $20 just to kind of throw out there, you can. The quality of the material isn't great. I'll just be honest. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. I have to be honest. It's not that great. The top half works well, but as far as the pants, mine's ripped on me. They ripped on me while I was stretching, so I didn't even get into my run before they ripped on me. I still kept them on. I didn't want to look like the crazy guy running around in ripped pants. I had like sweatpants to go on top of the sweatpants, the sweatsuit pants. But now I had sweatpants to, cover that up. But even wearing those, I was still sweating, so I think if the material was better, but at the same time, what more can I expect from a $20 product? But I will wear the top half in future runs. a believer in sauna suits. So I appreciate you guys for checking out my review on the Everlast Sauna suit. And if you got any more questions, please drop some comments down below. And do me a huge favor by hitting that like button, but most importantly, hitting that subscribe button. My name is Dev. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Peace.